Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month I'm going to show you how to make some crispy tuna nuggets. If you're not a nuggets fan, you can check out this other video up here. With that said, let's go. Here's what you need. I used a couple of small tuna cans, but the amount is the same. Strain the tuna completely and into a bowl with the beaten egg and the grated mozzarella cheese. With clean hands, mix well. Using a measuring spoon or a spoon, form the nuggets and set them on a parchment paper. Here's something they don't tell you. Oil the air fryer tray, either with a brush or a spray, and oil the top of the nuggets too. Then into the fryer at 215 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes or until crispy. I couldn't resist and I had to eat one as is, but it's better with some tartar sauce, so let me just take this. Let me know in the comments below if you used any different cheeses or fish, like sharp cheddar, salmon, sardines, or whichever combo comes to mind. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!